Hi everyone, just wanted to do a quick video about your tiles and your calendar in Canvas for your course this semester. So I have two sections and several of us do have that, so I felt like it would be good to nickname my sections by the day and time they are so I can tell which one's which. So I have a Monday 10:15 and a Wednesday 11:30. If you want to change your nickname of your course, you just click on the three buttons here and you can nickname it. This is only going to change it to your own view. Your students are just going to still see it as whatever they have standardly, or they can nickname their courses as well. So that's a trick there. That's helpful when you go into your calendar. In the calendar, all of the assignments are standardly put just into Wednesday. So I've already done a little bit of work. So I'll show you how I'm setting it up, and then I'll go through a few of them that I'm still working on with you. So on week 1, my first class is going to be on the 14th. And so the journal for that week I'm going to have due 2 days after. That's the recommended timeline. It seems to be working the best. You could have it due the day after if you wanted to, or the second day after. Like if you have a Thursday class, you could have it due Friday rather than waiting, or you could have it due Monday if you wanted to do that. So the discussions are going to be due for mine. I'm going to have them due the day of class, right before class. So I'm willing to accept any discussion submissions up until class, and I don't want to accept those after class. And I'm going to make sure my class understands that those discussions are really to be done before class to prepare for the class in discussion in the classroom. So I have them due at 11:15, 15 minutes before class. And then I moved again the study and report for that week to being due on Friday. So I've done that down here again with week 3. To get to the next month, you can go up here and click over to October. And I've already worked through this through week 5. There are a couple of additional assignments. In week 4, there's an assignment with the values in action. I'm going to have that due before class as well. And in week 5, there's a type focus assignment also due before class. Actually, that's going to be due before class on week 6. So I'm going to move that down here to week 6. So my week 6 study is going to go here. Week 6 discussion is going to be due here, but I want that discussion due at 11:15, so I'll show you with the time. If you click on the item and into the calendar, it allows you to put your own custom due date time in. So I'm going to put 11:15 a.m., submit that, and now it shows up with that 11:15 a.m. My week 7 discussion, I'm going to move down to be due with week 7. Simply dragging and dropping the study and report over to Friday. Then my week 8 discussion is going to go down here. My week 8 study and report over here. So it's pretty simple drag and drop. It's just setting it up, giving the right calendar, the right due dates for your course. So I encourage you to go in, work through this, go through your semester, move your items to where you feel like they need to be, with the journals being due 2 days after class, and the discussion being due before class. So you can also put the discussion on the day before at midnight if you want to do it that way. They're already standardly set up as being due at midnight on the day. So if you wanted your discussions due midnight, you just drop it the day before class. If you want them the time before class, just click in, edit. Through the calendar, you can put in a time that's custom, just like that. So I hope those tips help and you can get your calendar all set up the way you want. And if you have questions, feel free to reach out and let us know.